central, northern, and southern New Hampshire, including the following areas: in central New Hampshire, Stratford; in northern New Hampshire, southern Carroll; in southern New Hampshire, Rockingham, eastern Hillsborough. When, through Thursday morning. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. You should monitor the latest forecast and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.